Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a massive, massive thank you for coming and checking out this video, because Mark and I got something really special we want to show you, and we want to show you because we think that you guys can get some serious results. Much can't guarantee it, but we want to show you how you guys can get serious results within 30 days of being able to, getting started with the process we have to show you. Now, the results, we get students right now in our Breakout Affiliate Mastery program. We've got students getting results as early as, 2 to 3 days, because they just take action. And it's a simplified process that will literally get you from A to B as quickly as possible. Now, the reason why Mark and I put this together, and we have an awesome community to back that up as well, so you guys feel supported in that whole entire process, is because we know how it feels to be starting from square one and working your way up. Mark and I have been there. Mark's done it twice. He's been up there, he's been down, he lost everything, now he's back up there again, and now that he's actually got an evergreen, consistent process, and he doesn't have to worry about it now. The guy's got a baby on the way. So it's just a matter of, and he doesn't have to worry about, the medical bills, he doesn't have to worry about, the food, the formula for the baby, or clothes, all the new stuff. So he doesn't have to worry about that, because he can just it's easily paid for, because cash flow is king. You've got consistent cash flow allows you to be able to take advantage of other things financially, and that's the beauty of what we're going to show you today. So inside the Breakout Affiliate Mastery, and on top of obviously being a part of our mastermind community, it's a 6-week boot camp. But you guys get lifetime access to this community, and it's important that you guys get access, because obviously you want to feel supported in your journey, and the last thing you want is to buy a program where you feel stuck, or you want to be able to, because the magic's in this. This is where all the magic happens in this group. So you guys will be able to take the process that we show. We get on the weekly live calls. And Mark and I don't get off those calls until you guys have everything answered. So you can come there with 10 questions, ask those 10 questions. It could be 5 people there asking 10 questions each. We don't get off that call until we're done. Until you guys can walk away with those answers and being able to, apply it in your income generating activities, because that's what Mark and I want you to focus on. No more buying other stuff, or buying other push button apps, or being able to, get distracted really easily. This is an evergreen process that you need to build on. This is called action taking. This is where you guys, it's sort of, sorting the boys from the men, excuse me ladies, but this is where the real, true action happens. So you got to be serious about jumping on, serious about breaking away from the chains of the vicious cycle of buying stuff all the time. This is where it all happens. We've got guys in here getting results, really quickly. So I'm just going to show you a few things right now, and then I'm going to show you what the step-by-step process is that we show you guys. So as you can see, Rod here had a $500 day. The guy's being consistent as all get out. He continues to apply the methodology day after day. All right. So, and then we even tell you people who not to buy, who not to go to. Fitzy here, Fitzroy, he's in Australia. He's starting to hit leaderboards on major affiliate contests. There's even major money to be won there. So there's a whole range of, and look, this is George. Guy did it $718 while he was sleeping, all in the matter of like 7 hours. That's $100 an hour basically, like right there. Like killer results, just substantial results from the substantial action taking, being able to break out of that vicious cycle of buying stuff all the time and applying a strategy that actually works, and just sitting down and taking action inside of that. So what I mean by action taking is that this is what we do. Remove my big head from here. So this is what we do here, guys. This is what we do. Week 1, we get you the offers. We will give you all of our offers to promote with its commission increase. We'll give you that, so you guys have maximum profitability for when you guys run your campaigns. We help you set up your autoresponder. We help you set up your initial follow-up emails. So because the magic's in the list. All right, guys. And then week 2, we go through the traffic. What vendors to use, how to avoid bad traffic, because bad traffic can have really serious consequences and put you back to square one. And that's where probably I feel like most people go wrong, is that they have those issues with the traffic that's actually going. That's why no one buys, because they're getting crap traffic. So we go through those sources with you. Now, week 3, tracking and optimization. This is where the real profitability and return on your investment comes in. This is where the value comes in, is being able to optimize your campaigns, optimize what you're promoting, and being able to, improve your profitability. That's the whole point of it. It's continuous improvement. It's building yourself as you go. Everyone starts from somewhere. Like I track and optimize all the time, and I've added another 30 grand income on my month in the last 6 months. So it started out an extra 10 grand, an extra 15 grand, and then and then I've been consistent at that extra 30 grand for the last 3 months. So it's just that's where it goes. And then increasing your traffic and scaling. Once you get that process dialed in, you can start increasing in small doses as you go, and then and we go through the money management, like, paying for yourself, pay yourself, being able to reap the rewards of your efforts, reinvesting as well, where you can possibly go, and being able to improve, because obviously once you start getting the money in, you want to be able to treat yourself carefully. You want to be able to duplicate those profits, because that's the whole point of it, right? Now, week 5, emails, broadcasting, follow-ups, changing it up, list cleaning. We go through the technicalities of things, because emails are the highest return on investment ever. When you can get the right copy, which we show you, you get the right follow-ups in the sequential order, which we show you, changing it up, because sometimes, a bit of a value dropper here, promoting the same product all the time doesn't work. We give you highly profitable offers that you can rotate, and being able to consistently generate sales, because once a list can go really dead quickly if you just bang the same offer at them. So and we do our list cleaning. You want to maintain your relationship with your autoresponders, and being able to do that, we show you how to clean your lists in a really effective way that no one really else can show you. So, and then obviously week 6, we can, complete setup. You should be completely set up right now. Important additional scaling, being able to drive that home furthermore, and obviously post boot camp biz operations. What to expect next, how you can take it forward once that 6 weeks is up, and then and even that's the beauty of it, is that you've got the mastermind there forever, a lifetime. So you'll have that there as a backup. So you can, and then we recommend even more that you guys can go revisit the training when you need it, when you're forgetting components, because to be honest, sometimes it takes re-looking to really drive it home, to develop that skill set. It's like, some people read like mindset books 3 or 4 times within a few months, because there's important, you're not going to remember everything from one book on one read. So that's how habits, you got to generate those habits. So that's what we teach you in this course. So we're really excited about showing you what we've got in here, the community. We have the weekly calls, like we said. Ask the questions. If you're not going to make the calls, just post the questions in the group. I'll jot them down and answer them for you straight up at the start of the call, before we get to the guys that are on the call. That's the importance of it, because you don't want to wait an hour and a half to get to your question answered, right? So that's the importance of what our group is. Mark and I keep it simple. We keep it straightforward. If we feel like we can see you steering something wrong, we'll tell you. We're straightforward, no BS, and we're not going to, basically butter your biscuit, just to keep you happy. We don't do appeasing. This is serious. This is what you're trying to achieve financially. You need to take it seriously, like you do with anything else. You buy a new car, you look after it consistently. You need an oil change. You need new tires. You need to wash it to make sure your dew coat doesn't, you get what I mean? It's like even having a baby. It's the same sort of concept. Your business, you got to groom it every day. You got to feed it. You got to maintain. You got to clean it like the list cleaning. You know, you got to change it up. Your baby gets bored from the same thing happening all the time. Trust me, I know. I've got 4 of them. So it's really how you want to apply yourself going forward, and that's how serious you need to take it. So guys, link below if you want to have a chat with Mark and I. Jump on 697 below. Click that link. Jump on. I think we got PayPal and Stripe there that can accept payments for you guys. We've also got, you got that ability there. And, if you're still on the fence, guys, you got any questions, Mark and I are available to have a chat before you jump in. But we ask you not to hold it back too much, because the more you wait, the longer it's going to take you forward to get those results. And trust me, pulling that trigger on it, it's like, you feel free. You can start enjoying yourself. You can go through the content. You'll have the support. It's like overcoming that fear. And once you know that you're going to be in our community, guys, we're going to fucking look after you. All right? So we're very excited about you guys jumping on. So click that button below. Jump on, guys. 697. Done for you funnels. Done for you offers. Emails. Copy that sells. We get you there. Results like George and Rod. You get them $500, $700 days. No brainer. So guys, we're looking forward to you guys jumping on. Thank you so much. And we'll see you inside Breakout Affiliate Mastery. Take care. Jump on. Take action. Get it started. See you inside the group. Cheers, guys.